Second question, write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following. First question, A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 5. यहाँ पे हमें A का वैल्यू पता है, so we'll consider A as T1, that is T1 is equal to 10. Now I'll write the skeleton over here. Now to find the next term has a difference of 5, so it will be T1 plus D, and same way similarly it will be T3 is equal to T2 plus T and T4 is equal to T3 plus T. So apply over here. So we can write A as T1 is equal to A, therefore we get as T1 is equal to 10. So the next term T2 will be T1 plus D, which is 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15. T3 is equal to T2 plus D, which is equal to 15. Over here the value of 15, T2 is 15 plus 5, which gives you 20. And T4 is equal to T3 plus T, which is 20 plus 5 is equal to 20. So therefore, AP is 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Second question, A is equal to minus 3, D is equal to 0. So over here, we'll consider T1 as A, that is term 1. So term 1 value is minus 3. So for term 2, it will be T1 plus T, which is equal to minus 3 plus 0, which is equal to minus 3. Term 3 will be T2 plus D. So it will be minus 3 plus 0, which is equal to minus 3. Fourth term will be T3 plus D, which will be minus 3 plus 0, which is equal to minus 3. So therefore, AP is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 and so on. Third question, A is equal to minus 7 and B is equal to half. So T1 is equal to A, so we get T1 is equal to minus 7. So T2 is equal to T1 plus D, which is equal to minus 7 plus half, which when you multiply, you do cross multiplication. 2 into 7, 14 plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to minus 13 upon 2. T3 is equal to T2 plus D. We got T2 as minus 13 upon 2 plus half, which is equal to minus, you will write it, common denominator, so you get minus 12 upon 2, which is answer is minus 6. T4 is equal to T3 plus D. So your T3 is 6, minus 6 and plus half. So you multiply, you cross multiply, minus 12 plus 1 upon 2, which you get minus 11 upon 2. Therefore the AP is minus 7, minus 13 by 2, minus 6, minus 11 by 2 and so on. Fourth question, A is equal to minus 1.25, T is equal to 3. So T1 is equal to A, so we get T1 is equal to minus 1.25. So T2 is equal to T1 plus D, which is minus 1.25 plus 3, which you get as which you get as 1.75. T3 is equal to T2 plus D, which is 1.75 plus difference is 3, so we get 4.75. T4 will be T3 plus D, which is equal to 4.75 plus 3, which is 7.75. So therefore the AP is 1.75, sorry, the first term is minus 1. minus 1.25, then it is 1.75, 4.75, 7.75 and so on. Fifth question, a is equal to 6 and d is equal to minus 3. So we'll write as t1 is equal to a, therefore t1 is equal to 6. So the value of t2 will be t1 plus d. So it will be 6 plus minus 3. So the minus and the plus and minus will change to minus, which will get as 3. So the t3 will be t2 plus d, which will be 3 plus minus of 3, which is equal to 3 minus 3, we get as 0. t4 is equal to t3 plus d, which is equal to 0 plus 3, which you get as 3. Sorry, this is minus 3. So you get as 0 minus of 3, which is minus 3. So the sequence, therefore, AB is 6, 3, 0, minus 3 and so on. A is equal to minus 19, D is equal to minus 4. So over here T1 is equal to A, so the T1 becomes minus 19. So T2 will be T1 plus D, which is equal to minus 19 plus minus 4, which is equal to minus 19 minus 4, which gives you minus 23. T3 will be T2 plus D, which gives you minus 23 plus minus 4, minus 23 minus 4, which is equal to minus 27. T4 is equal to T4 plus D, minus 27 plus minus of 4, which gives you minus 27 minus 4, minus 31. So therefore, AP is minus 19, minus 23, minus 27, minus 31 and so on. Question 3. Find the first term and the common difference for each of the AP. First question, 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7. We'll denote each number as a term. T1 is equal to 5, T2 is equal to 1, T3 is equal to minus 3 and T4 is equal to minus 7. So over here the first term is nothing but the T1, that is A. So we get A as 5. Now to find the common difference, we're gonna find the difference between the terms, that is T2 minus T1 is equal to 1 minus 5, which gives you minus 4. T3 minus T2 gives you minus 3 minus 1, which is minus 4. T4 minus T3, which gives you minus 7 minus 1 minus 3, which gives you minus 7 plus 3 minus 4. Therefore, the first term for the sequence is 5 and the difference is minus 4. Second sequence 0.6, 0.9, 1.2 and 1.5. So we'll denote each number as term 0.6, T2 as 0.9, T3 as 1.2, T4 as 1.5. Therefore T1 is equal to A, so we get the first term as A is equal to 0.6. So therefore T2 minus T1, which is, we need to find the difference. We're gonna find the difference between the terms. So 0.9 minus 0.6 is equal to 0.3. T3 minus T2, 1.2 minus 0.9, which eventually gives you 0.3. T4 minus T3, which is 1.5 minus 1.2, which gives you 0.3. Therefore, the first term, that is A, is 0.6 and difference is 0.3. Third sequence 127, 135, 143 and 151. So the first term, that is, we'll denote each number as the terms 127, T2 as 135, T3 as 143 and T4 as 151. So T1 is equal to A, so we get A is equal to 127. So let's find the difference. T2 minus T1, that is 135 minus 127, which gives you 8. T3 minus T2, which is 143 minus 135, which is also 8. T4 minus T3, which is 151 minus 143, which gives you 8. So the first number, that is the first term, is 127 and the difference is 8. Fourth sequence, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4 and 7 by 4 and so on. So we'll denote each fraction as a term 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4 and 7 by 4. So the first term is A, which we get as A is equal to 1 by 4. Now to find the common difference, T2 minus T1 gives you 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, which you can cancel, you get half. T3 minus T2 is equal to 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4, which is 5 minus 3 by 4, 2 by 4, which you get cancelled, you get half. T4 minus T3, which is 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4, which is equal to 7 minus 4 upon, so you get 2 upon 4, you get cancelled, you get half. So the common difference is constant, so you get A, the first term, as 1 by 4 and D as